It's me, Awesome Aaron, I believe. But you know who I am, because you can snipe me. I'm going to show you a little basketball. Fast. Very, very fast. Oh, man, you can't see. Let's see there. Okay, I gotta get a little closer. 1, 2, 3. It's like playing drums. But more hard. Time to go. Okay, I'm done.